Triton Innovation LLC developed a system that merges multiple lines and keeps overcooked product out of packages for a customer in need. This solution helped a pop chip manufacturer overcome the major challenges they encountered when adding multiple new production lines to their site. First, the customer's heated tumblers have very low discharge points, so Triton customized in-feed conveyors to receive chips at floor level. Second, popped chips are overcooked at startup, so Triton designed diverter gates that effectively remove them before reaching the packaging line. Third, multiple cooking lines need to be merged into one seasoning and packaging line downstream. Triton's vibratory feeders not only converge chips, but meter the flow as well. Have a look at the system's details before we see it in action. Triton's metering feeder system begins with Z-style conveyors. They are customized to receive popped chips at floor level from the customer's heated tumblers. At startup, before heated tumblers reach operating temperatures, they overcook popped chips that cannot enter the packaging line. At the turn of a lever, Triton's diverter gates remove overcooked popped chips until heated tumblers reach operating temperatures. Rotating the lever in the opposite direction allows perfectly cooked chips to accumulate into metering hoppers, which also provide in-process storage in the case of downstream interruptions. Vibratory feeders gently transport and converge a steady flow of chips from multiple popping and cooking lines onto a single Z-style conveyor. Finally, a metered flow of perfectly cooked popped chips make their way up to the seasoning equipment. Triton's inventive, multitasking solution made the customer's new production lines a reality. Interested in learning more about metering feeder systems? Our Triton team is here to help. Call us today to get started.